Hello and welcome to this Alameda County Law Library tutorial on creating an eCourt public portal account. eCourt is a system used by the Alameda County courts to house electronic versions of documents filed with the court. It can also be used to see the register of actions in a case, tentative rulings from a judge, or future court dates. Most importantly, it can be used to make a reservation for a court date in Alameda County. So if the clerk wouldn't let you file your motion because they say you need a reservation number, you would need to log into eCourt to set up that reservation number. eCourt is currently being used by the civil court, and we expect family, probate, and mental health cases to be added in the fall of 2023. eCourt is available from terminals at the courthouse, computers in the law library, and from any internet connection, which means you can access it from home. Alright, let's get started. To create an eCourt account, you'll need access to your email and a web browser. Once you have access to these, use your web browser to go to the website eportal.alameda.courts.ca.gov. Then, look for the blue box on the right side of the screen. Click Create an Account. Select the radio button that says Public Users. Next, enter your email and then confirm your email address. Keep in mind that if you have a fee waiver on file with the court, you'll need to sign up for eCourt using the email that the court has on file for you. If you're not sure, contact the courtroom clerk where your case is being heard to confirm which email they have for you. Next, fill in your first name and last name. Enter your phone number. If you're not an attorney, you do not need to enter a bar number. Entering your fax number is optional. Once you click Create New Account, you will receive an email with a link to finish the setup of your account. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the email goes there. Once you click the link in the email that you've received, you will be asked to set a password. Once you choose a password and click Submit, your account is complete.